Hi everyone, welcome to Karen from tillycrafts.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I'm bringing today another video. I think this is my 6th video on the Sale-A-Bration catalogue, and I'm showing everybody what you can earn for free and get for free from the Sale-A-Bration brochure, and this runs from the 5th of January to the 28th of February. And basically what it means is if you buy anything from the mini catalogue, which runs from January to June, or the current annual catalogue, and you spend £45, you will earn a level 1 reward, and for every £45 you spend, you get another level 1. And that means that you can then pick something from the Sale-A-Bration brochure, and there are quite a few sets that are level 1s, which when you've spent £45 you can get this free. There are 2 sets where you have to have 2 rewards, and this is the Berry Blessings and the Delightful, Very Delightful, and you get the papers and the stamp set. And the other one is a Touch of Ink, gorgeous stamp set, 17 stamps in there, and that's why it's a level 2, and you have to spend £90 to get that. Right, so today I'm bringing you, there's 2 in, let me find the page, I'm bringing you the designer series paper called Flower and Field, and also the Punch Party stamp set. Now the Punch Party stamp set is a host set, and you have to spend, or a group you have to spend on one order, £275 or above, and you get this Punch Party free. Brilliant stamp set this. So I thought I'd show it with the designer series paper. Like I say, if you look back on my channel, they are all on a playlist, but I'm doing like a set. I think I've got 7 videos in total going live, one after the other on a daily basis, just to show you what's available. Love this set. This actually coordinates with the Heart Punch, which is in the annual catalogue, and the postage label stamp. So the postage label punch will punch out this and this. Obviously the heart will do that. Now these I'm excited for because there is an oval punch, and you get, there's 2 punches in one, so you get the plain oval and the outside edge oval, and they layer up perfectly. But I haven't got that for this yet because that's on my wish list to get. So I'll be using this and the papers. Now the papers, these are my cards, by the way. I wanted to show off the designer series paper, so they are on note cards, but it's more so that you can see the papers, and they're just like little note cards that you can send to people. So we'll have a look at those in more detail in a minute. I'll just go back to the papers now. I'm better off reading it out of here, but there are 12 sheets, 2 of each 6 double-sided designs, and they come in 12 by 12, and you've got loads of flowers, bright flowers, and they're on dark black. Like, they use a lot of black in these, and they are quite effective when you put them up. So that is the one side, and then when you turn it over, these are more plain, so you can use them to layer up. I've used mainly the flowers today. I was going to say something else then, and it's gone. Oh, the colours. That would help, wouldn't it? The colours in this, you've got quite a lot to go at. You've got Basic Black, Bumblebee, Cherry Cobbler, Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Pumpkin Pie, Shaded Spruce, and So Saffron. So there is quite a lot of colours, but like I said, these are my cards. I've actually decorated the envelopes to go with them. I've used the My Heart Is Wherever You Are stamp on there, and use the label punch to punch it out. This one I've used the plain side of the paper with a bumblebee because it coordinates with the bumblebee in there, and I've used You Make My Heart Happy and used the heart punch for that. I've also done it in the same paper, quite like this paper, You Make My Heart Happy. Now on this one I've used the Stitch So Sweetly dies, one of my favourite dies, these, and it's the largest one, so I've just laid it on the card and again done the envelope. This one again I've used the Stitch So Sweetly, and I've got a heartfelt thanks for everything, and I've put it towards the bottom. So if I bring it down it might help, won't it? I put it towards the bottom because I didn't want to cover up the paper because it's quite nice, and again I've decorated the envelope with the papers. So I'm going to get started in a minute, but the video before this that went out, I did it all and then I remembered I'd said at the end I had something else to show you. So the my last video was with these cards, the Darling Donkey, and we made these on the video, and I said I had something to show you at the end and then I totally forgot, so I need to show it you because I'm dead chuffed with it. I'm in the team called Stampin' Bells, and my upline Halsey, she does a live every week on YouTube on a Sunday, and we made this, and it's a little cracker box. A video is fantastic, but I wanted to show it because I used the Darling Donkey on it, and I'd also used the ombre paper, and I'd used the Blackberry Bliss one and the brand new Blackberry Bliss ribbon. I'm gonna have trouble getting that out, aren't I? I love this. So I just wanted to show it you, so I haven't forgotten. Well, I had forgot, but then I remembered, so I just thought I should show it you. Right, let's get on with our cards today. So I'm going to make two up for you. Oh, I used, we have note cards and envelopes. They're a pack of 20, so you get 20 envelopes and 20 note cards which are pre-scored. They're ideal for note cards, these, just big enough, and I love using them, and I thought these were ideal to use on here. So let's have a look. So the first one I am going to do is, I'm using Granny Apple Green. So let's just fold this now. They are dead simple, these, but like I say, I love them. And I've not used the dies on this one. I've basically, all the cards measure 3.5 by 5 inches. So my layer, my Granny Apple Green layer, is 3.25 by 4 3/4, and the DSP is 3 by 4.5. Just check that. Yes, 3 by 4.5. So dead straightforward. We're just going to use some Tombow. These are only like, well, I say the quick videos, they're about 20 minutes long. This might be a bit quicker, but it is just basically to show you the products that you can earn free when you spend money, and we all like to earn free things, don't we? So if you were buying the goodies anyway, you might as well get free stuff to go with it. Love getting free stuff. So I'm just using my Tombow on there, and I'm putting it down. I mean, you can do all sorts of things with these. You could die cut, you could fussy cut the flowers out, and you can embellish them up and all things like that, but I just wanted straightforward note cards to show you. So I am going to use the postage label on this one. Yes, I'm going to use the postage label on this one, and I'm doing it in Granny Apple Green. So this is the stamp. I've already used it, as you can see, so I've already got it mounted up. So I'm just going to ink that up and stamp it on there. Nice stamp. I'll put a lid on that before I put my fingers in it. And then I'm just going to use my Memento ink, and we're having a heartfelt thanks. Let's make sure that's stamped up. Sometimes with new stamps, they don't stamp until you know, like you've used them a few times, but that has come out really nice like that. So that's that done. Let's put that on for now. Get it out again in a minute, and then put it into the postage label stamp, and you just line it up with the crinklies, and when you're happy with it, press down. I like Granny Apple Green, you know. I'm not looking for my dimensionals. See, I've been really good this year. I'm putting things away after I use them, but then I can't find them because I forgot to put them away. So I don't know whether it's worth putting them away or just having a mess on my desk. Right. We do paper pumpkin boxes, and I tend to do quite a few note cards. And I use the paper pumpkin boxes because they fit in really nicely, and they just make a nice gift. So that's just going to go smack bang in the middle, and that's all done. I really like that. See, I could go mad and bling it all up, but sometimes simple's nice. Now, just got to decorate the envelope, so all I did was put a bit of Tombow round the outside, a bit in the middle, and just get this, and you line it up. Smooch it down, and then you get a pair of snips and follow the lines. There we go. How nice is it to not get a naked envelope? It makes it nice and cheery. So that's our first card done. Very nice, we like that. And the next one is on this pile. We are going to fold this over, give it a quick burnish. And I've got this one, Misty Moonlight, that's just going to go on there like that. And but again, like, you can layer them up, you can put ribbon on them, a bit of bling on them, do whatever you want, or just keep them plain and simple like me. It's a great way to use your DSP up. And I've already done the envelope with this one, you watched me do that, so I didn't think you needed to watch me do another one again. So I want to try something. I was going to do the heart red, but I'm going to do it in Misty Moonlight and see what it looks like. Oops, I hope I didn't blind you then with my camera. Oh, it looks quite nice, that, doesn't it? And then I'm going to put the sentiment in, which is "You make my heart happy." How nice is that? Whoops, the pussycat's coming and he's just trying to get in between all my papers. I think I need to re-ink my pad actually. Let's get it pushed down. Do you know, he's terrible. He's going to try and jump up. He did it last time and knocked all my stuff off my shelf. Oh, that's nice. Sorry for that, he'll jump up here. So if you see a big ginger cat come up, oh no, he's gone out now. We're all right. And again, get your heart punch stamp. This is the serrated edge one as well. And then you just line it up. Just trying to do this. And when you're happy with it, if you just grip it, you can just double check you're happy with it. And then punch him out. And again, we'll bob on some dimensionals. And I think we'll put it at the bottom here, and then it doesn't cover up all the lovely paper. How nice is that? Well, I'm sorry it's going to be a very quick video today, but I hope you've enjoyed it. there's the envelope that goes with that one, and we bring back in these cards. So that was the other one we made. I really like this colour of the granny apple green, and we've got that one. These are the original ones. Oops, stuck in the envelope, stuck together. That one, that's the envelope that goes with that one. But yeah, I'm quite chuffed with these, and I think I will make these up into a pack so they can all go in a little notebook. But I think this is going to be my favourite, followed by that one. I don't know about you. You have to let me know which ones you like best. But thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you can join me again tomorrow. I'm sure I've got one video left for tomorrow. That'll be the last one. But check back on my other videos. They will be in a playlist. It's a Sale-A-Bration playlist, so you can have a look at them in there. But thank you very much for joining me, and speak to you all soon. Bye.